Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of Advanced Clinicals Coconut Oil Cream Face and Body Anti-Aging Moisturizing Skincare Lotion, each with its own features, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Simply Smooth on this highly nourishing, concentrated formula to restore moisture to dry, dull skin. Multi-use formula. Great as a facial moisturizer, body lotion, neck and décolleté moisturizer, or hair conditioner. Delicious smelling cream is whipped with pure coconut oil and organic lavender extract for immediate hydration and a healthy, glowing complexion. Visibly restores elasticity to skin with pure coconut oil. Softens dry spots with natural glycerin and aloe vera. Trusted formula. Made in the USA at FDA-registered facility. Not tested on animals. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.